morning students. Let's continue with practice set 14 with word problem. As I told you, problem number 2nd and 3rd, that is subtraction and addition, that was your homework part. Now we are starting with the word problem. See, for that open your textbook page number 31. I am reading the 4th problem. Avnish travelled 42 km 365 meter by bus, 12 km 460 meter by car and walk 640 meter. How many kilometers did he travel altogether? Write your answer in decimal fraction only. Now see, when altogether word come, that means you have to do addition. Now see how to write this sum. 4. First, when you read the problem, you understand that there are two units of measurement, kilometer and meter. So you first make two columns. First one is kilometer and second one is meter. Okay. Now see, 42 kilometer 365 meter by bus. So write 42 in the table in the column of kilometer and 365 in the column of meter, and in front of that write by bus. Okay. Then 12 kilometer 460 meter by car. As we said, there is addition of all these three measurements. That's why we are putting plus sign here. Then 12 kilometer 460 meter by car and 640 meter by walking or walk. Okay. Now as we understand that there is addition part, so do the addition. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 6, 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Carry over 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Write 14, 4 here and 1 carry over. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5. 4 plus 1, 5. So your answer is 55 kilometer and 465 meter. But answer asked in decimal form. So you write it as Avinash travelled 55.465 kilometer distance. Okay, understand? Next, move to the 5th one. What is the 5th sum? Aisha bought 1.80 meter of cloth for her salwar and 2.25 meter for her kurta. If cloth cost 120 rupees per meter, how much must she pay to the shopkeeper? Now see, here she bought cloth for salwar and kurta. So you have to add this cloth totally and then multiply with the cost given for per kilometer per meter. Okay, so let's solve it. Now see, only one unit is given, that is meter. Okay, but how you are adding it? 1.80 plus 2.25. This is for salwar and this is for kurta. Okay, add this to 0 plus 5 5, 8 plus 2 10, carry over 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So total cloth is how much? 4.05 meter. Now what you have to calculate? What is the cost of this total cloth? There as cost of cloth is per meter. How much it is? 120 rupees. Right? Therefore, cost of total cloth is equal to 4.05 multiplied by 120. Now see, 0 right here. Now multiply with 12. Now see, whenever there is such a number which is having 0 at the end, you write that 0 first, then multiply with the remaining number, because see, 120 table we cannot say or we don't know, but 12 table we know properly. So multiply with 12. 12 5s are 60, carry over 6. 12 zeros are 0 plus 6 is 6. 12 fours are 48. So write that 48 and how many digits after decimal point? 1 2. So count it from right hand side. 1 2. So here your decimal point and this is your amount of this total cloth. Understand? Now how to write it? See, I am writing here. Therefore, cost of total cloth is 486 rupees. Okay? Now let's move to the third problem. Third problem is Sujata bought watermelon weighing 4.25 kg and gave 1 kg 750 gram to children to her neighborhood. How much of it does she have left? Now see, this is subtraction problem. Right? What is the total weight of watermelon? Total weight of watermelon is 4.25 kg. How much she gave? 1 kg and 750 gram. How to write? First make two columns, kg and gram. Write 4 2 5 0 minus 1 kg 750 gram. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 0. Now 12 minus 2 is not possible. Make it 12. Make it 3. 12 minus 7 5. 3 minus 1 2. So your answer is she left 2 kg 500 gram with her. Okay, understand? Next 7 problem is your homework along with these 3 problems. If you have any difficulty in these 3, ask me in personal. Okay, till then, bye and take care of yourself.